Now let's head into the Intense 5. So, after being sentenced to 30 years, R. Kelly has been put on suicide watch for his own safety. His lawyers say it's unnecessary, but the system not taking any chances. Oh jeez. So we knew it was coming, but our fingers were kind of crossed that it wouldn't. Jamaica recorded its first case of monkeypox this week. Just be careful, guys. Wash your hand then, please, and thanks. Social distancing once again. Yes. Just when we thought COVID was over, here comes, or almost over, here comes monkeypox. Oh, great. No, sir, Riri, you are going with a bag of things. She is now America's youngest self-made billionaire. That's insane. Booting Kim K to second. No, sir, watch this little Bayesian girl doing big things. She's also the 21st richest woman in the world. Amazing! Okay, so everyone finally got to see Skank perform at New Rules, and while he put on a show, all eyes were on the drummer. But seriously, guys, if you don't know the drummer, this is him all the time, like always. He puts his all into every performance, like I saw him just stay, okay? And finally holding the spot this week, do not mess with Shaggy while he's on stage. Some stage managers felt Shaggy's wrath and got a few Jamaican choice words while the singer was on stage in Germany. A different kind of bombastic there, okay? Like, it boom up, literally. But that's it for the Intense 5, guys. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense and let us know if there's anything you want to make the list. Up next,